Hi, my name is Steven. I live in Long Island, New York. I was extremely fortunate to get sent one of these head shavers called the OmniShaver. Here's what it looks like. I shave my head about every 2 days, and it is one of the best shaves I've had for my head. It's the quickest shave ever. It takes about 45 seconds. It works great. What I do is I use something kind of slippery on my head, so I tend to like the Dollar Shave Club shave butter. And I'm going to be doing a demo of how quickly it is to shave my head. And once again, thank you OmniShaver, because this is an amazing product. Okay, so now I'm going to put the shave butter on, move it up a bit. The nice thing about this also is you don't actually need to wet it at all or rinse it off. So all you do, I lather it up and get moving, a couple of quick strokes. Like this. You can do short strokes or long strokes. And believe it or not, I'm like almost done already. I mean, I usually go through like once or twice, and then I do some cleanups. And I'm just about done. Look at that. Just gotta get around the ears. And that's it. My head is shaved. Thank you very much.